Dr. Mamta Goyal, a consultant obstetrician and gynecologist at SCI International Hospital, New Delhi. Which is a common finding seen in third trimester ultrasound of pregnancy, and it can generate a lot of myth and panic in the minds of the woman and her family. So let us clarify a few things about this cord around the neck. So now, how common is this cord around the neck? 1 in every 3 or 4 pregnancies will show cord around the neck in a third trimester ultrasound. The very fact that it is so common itself means that it cannot be a dangerous thing to have. Because if that is true, then every third or fourth pregnancy would be a complicated pregnancy just by the virtue of the cord. And if you count other complications, then that would mean that every second pregnancy is a complicated pregnancy, and we all know that that is not true. So, however, it is very easy to blame this cord for any poor outcome, because it is very likely that this cord would be seen as a coincidental finding in an otherwise complicated pregnancy. So, what can actually go wrong if there is a cord around the neck? So, this umbilical cord, let us assume that this is the cord and this is the baby. This umbilical cord, let us assume that this is the cord, carries the pure blood from the mother to the baby and the impure blood back from the baby to the mother. So if there is a cord around the neck, then sometimes this cord can get compressed, thereby compressing the vessels inside this cord and hampering the blood flow from the mother to the baby, thereby compromising the baby. However, I must insist that this is not a common thing to happen. Most of the loops are loose loop of cord, so this is not a common thing to happen. This also brings us to our third question. What are the different kinds of loops of cord around the neck? Like I said, most loops are going to be loose loops of cord, and these loops are going to be harmless. Neither are they going to compress the vessels, nor are they going to hamper in the descent of the baby. During delivery, if a loose loop is formed, it can be easily slipped out of the baby's neck and a smooth delivery is possible. Sometimes the loops of cord that are seen on ultrasound are actually not even loops around the neck. They are like this, these loops which are lying adjacent to the baby's neck and are picked up on the ultrasound and reported as loops of cord around the neck. These loops are of no consequences. Very rarely, these loops of cords can actually be a tight loop of cord, in which case the vessels in the cord can get compromised and the baby can be hampered. So now what? If actually it is a loop of cord around the baby's neck and a tight loop, what can happen? Even in those cases, there are protective mechanisms which are provided by the nature. The vessels which are inside the cord have a jelly-like thing which is called as Wharton's jelly, which act as a shock absorber or as a cushion for the vessels. And even in a tight loop of cord, it doesn't mean that all tight loops are bad for the baby. This protective mechanism does exist. Now, if it is a very tight loop or there are multiple loops or actually the blood vessels are getting compromised, then it will be picked up in baby's monitoring system that we do antenatally in the form of ultrasounds and color Dopplers and non-stress tests, and timely action can be taken. So even in those cases, there is no need to get panicked. Trust your doctor, he will pick it up and a timely action would be taken. Now there is another very common myth that is there, that can this loop of cord strangulate the baby? So this is not possible, because the first breath that the baby takes is when the baby is born, and it is heard as the first cry of the baby. When baby is inside the uterus, the baby receives the oxygen from the mother's blood and not by his own breathing. So there is no question of strangulation of the baby inside the uterus. So lastly, what is the take-home message? If you see a loop of cord around the baby's neck in your ultrasound, relax and do not panic. Understand that it is a common finding and not a dangerous one to have. Mostly a normal vaginal delivery is possible, and rarely, if required, a cesarean would be done if it is picked up as distress in your baby's monitoring system. Please trust your doctor for that. Thank you.